Making the Facebook algorithm work for you and getting your followers to see you. Is Facebook showing you the same posts from someone else day after day? Do you feel like your posts are not being seen by anyone? Is no one commenting on your posts? Well, let's look at what the algorithm is. The Facebook algorithm determines which posts people see every time they check their Facebook feed and in what order the posts show up. This is what we do know about the algorithm. The more time you stop and look at a post, the more Facebook will show you similar posts. For instance, if I'm posting about getting a new car, don't you know that Facebook will show me other people posting about getting a new car? It's very uncanny. So why does this matter to a small business? Number one, no one is seeing posts that show your product or your service. Number two, no one sees your posts, no one comments, and the algorithm holds your posts hostage. Number three, no one sees your product or service, and then you have no sales.